everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, today is pancake day. Today is pancake day, so I decided that I'm going to be eating only pancakes for 24 hours because why not? It's pancake day, right? So it's currently 11 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything. All I've had today is that coffee, as you've just seen. And I'm going to be having the Woman's Best protein pancakes, vanilla with raspberry bits in it. So it looks like this. And this is what I'm going to be having for breakfast / brunch. So I'm going to be having this first. And then for like maybe lunch, maybe dinner, bit of both, I'm going to be having these pancakes and waffle mix American style. I got this from Poundland, so I really wanted to try it. But a whole container, guys, is literally 500 calories. So I'm going to be splitting this for lunch and dinner. So we're going to see how this goes. I'm hoping that when I add the water to this, it's not going to go funny if I leave it. But, although to be fair, I could probably pour it out and put water in it. I don't know. We'll get to that when it comes to it. So that's for lunch and dinner, these pancakes. So these ones are slightly thicker than the normal ones. So normally I do have the thin ones, but I saw these and I'm going to have to try them. So that's for dinner. So let's start making the protein pancakes by Woman's Best. I have these every year, to be fair, on pancake day. For breakfast, these are the bomb and they're really good for you. So I'm going to make some of this now. Stay tuned.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find.
Okay, so not gonna lie, the first one did not go to plan. The second one did, but looks a bit burnt, but it will do. It will do for the breakfast. Like, pancakes are a skill. Pancakes are a skill, and clearly I don't have that skill. But to be fair, this one's quite round. The other one looks a bit like scrambled egg. But we live and we learn, guys, don't we? So now I'm going to put some, do I put a bit of lemon on it? Do I put a bit of sugar on it? I'm not going to put sugar on it. I'm going to try this on it. So it's a toffee topping, and because it's got raspberries in it, I might just put a drizzle of this on. And just put in the drizzlest. Putting a little drizzle on, because tonight I'm going to go all out at lunchtime. So this is what it looks like. Shall we do the taste test? Let's do the taste test. You can't really taste the toffee sauce because it tastes like raspberry, so that was kind of pointless. But otherwise, it's pretty good going for protein pancake, you know? I have these all the time, so I know what they taste like. I don't normally put the drizzle on, but they're good. They're good. Right, I will see you at lunchtime for the main event pancakes, which I can't cook for shit, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Hello everyone, so I'm back. It's now 2:20 and I'm freaking hungry. So what I've done is it says to add water to this, but because I want to use some for dinner, I'm going to only put half in a bowl. So that's what I've done, guys. So I need to add water and then like mix it up, and then I should have my pancake mix for my pancakes. So let's get making pancakes. Hopefully this one will be better than the last one you saw, but practice makes perfect, guys, alright? So let's do it. So I've just added water. I feel like I've added too much because it's very runny, but do you reckon it will still turn into pancakes? Like, it's so runny. Well, we're gonna give it a go, so here goes.
You're the night sky, trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Right, so this is what it looks like, my little pancake. I'll insert a picture here. It is not very, like, it's not presented right. What's the word I'm looking for? I can't remember, I don't know. But you know what I mean. It's not Instagrammable, put it that way. But as long as it tastes alright, then I'm good. You just won't be seeing an Instagram pic from me. Yeah, these American ones are definitely a lot more meaty. That toffee sauce on there, oh, highly recommend. That is literally my new favourite thing on a pancake. I have one more attempt later to get an Instagram pic. Do you reckon I can do it? Don't forget to go and follow me on socials if you want to see that. Little link will be up here. Oh, I just love pancake day, don't you? Pancakes are so nice. I literally only have pancakes ready on a pancake day as well. I love pancakes when they're warm as well. It's just so good. So freaking good. Right, anyway, I'm gonna eat this. And then I'm probably gonna go on my walk. So I'll probably bring you along, to be fair. I might get a coffee. A nice little coffee. Before I make more pancakes later. What I'm thinking for later is no sugar, no lemon, toffee sauce, whipped cream, maybe some bananas. I'm thinking of because normally my pancakes are literally just lemon and sugar. Like, there's nothing normally on them. I'm quite a plain kind of gal. Whereas today I'm feeling a bit adventurous and I really want to get a good Insta pic for the gram. So that's what I'm thinking. Chopped bananas, chocolate maybe sauce, or toffee sauce. Maybe a bit both. Got Nutella in the fridge, got Biscoff spread. We'll see. Stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna go and eat the rest of this. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. Right guys, I'm back. It is now 6:30. So I'm gonna use the rest of this bad boy to make the pancakes. But let's hope this is third time lucky we can get an Instagram pic. Charlie just did his and his was a fail as well. So let's see if we can get an Instagrammable pic. I just added the water. I'm going to give it a shake. It's definitely a lot easier to shake the ingredients.
Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down.
Right guys, we've got one decent one. Let's try and do another decent one. Let's hopefully get an Instagram pic of my pancakes. So I feel like third time lucky was actually pretty good. Like I got 3 decent looking pancakes. They're really hot, so I'm gonna decorate them and hopefully get a good Instagram pic. So guys, it's a couple of days later and I forgot to film an outro while editing this video, so I'm just gonna outro it now. Here is my Instagram pic that I did actually get of my pancakes, and it was really nice, to be fair. Like, really enjoyed Pancake Day this year. I finally got some good pancakes going towards the end, but otherwise the rest were an epic fail. Yeah, that's why the title was called Epic Fail of a Pancake, because most of them were. If you have any tips for making pancakes, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, don't forget to join the fam by hitting that subscribe button. Go ahead and follow me on socials so you keep up to date. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.